crazy, dude. Hella hypey with it.
Hello, cops. Right in front of the cops.
The cops?
Yeah, there was two at that gas station.
Were they in their cars?
No, they were standing outside.
Oh, hell yeah.
There you go.
I'm right past the club. I do like a lot of wheelies, I'm not gonna lie. I like love doing it.
Oh, you're good, dude. Do as many as you want. This is gonna be a video of you doing wheelies. Where's the nearest McDonald's to here?
There's one all the way down the street, A Street. If you go all the way down, like near the freeway.
Oh shit, yeah, that's right. Alright, let's not go that far because we gotta go down Mission, and I know there's a couple on Mission.
Okay.
Ah man, this changed so much.
Yeah, I know.
Because I grew up right like 2 streets down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Huh. Like over
Montgomery.
Montgomery next to the train tracks?
Yeah. Ooh, a little wobbly there.
Little power wheelie. It's very easy just to pull it up.
Yeah.
I'm like popping it up.
Dude, I'm surprised that your forks are not out yet.
Oh, they're good. They're good. I adjusted the suspension.
So where we're going is up there, but gotta get something to eat first. Dude, I gotta come to one of the ride-outs soon.
Huh?
I said I gotta come to one of the ride-outs soon.
Yeah, dude. It's crazy, dude. Hella hypey with it.
Hello, cops. Right in front of the cops.
The cops?
Yeah, there was two at that gas station.
Were they in their cars?
No, they were standing outside.
Oh, hell yeah. Here we go? Let's go, fun. I didn't see the cops.
I even told you, I'm like, oh yeah, there's the cops. And then you popped it up as soon as I told you there's the cops.
That's cool.
I don't think they're coming though.
Nah, I won't be out.
I'm gonna say, I got my license plate. I gotta...
Yeah, I have mine on there too.
Yeah.
This guy next to me is all smiling and looking at me.
Yeah, no cops. There you go. Food. Okay, I'll settle for just about anything right now.
Well, if we go a little further, there's a Jack in the Box, right?
Okay, alright. Fremont Police.
Fremont Police.
Community Service Unit.
I'm about to do a fucking wheelie right in front of this. No, I'm not. Look at that uniform.
Yeah. glad that wasn't heavy.
You kicked that fucking ball, I ran it over.
Oh. There we go. Well, that worked out great. You got mirrors. How's the cop looking back there? I think he's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, bump it. Ooh, that was solid.
Huh?
That sign was solid. You gotta do a little wheelie for this kid.
Oh yeah, I will.
I'm surprised all the people are still here at the dorms.
Is there like parties and stuff here? Like
Yes.
Really?
Yes, I used to go to them all.
You used to go here?
No, I used to go to the parties.
Yeah?
I never went here. Alright, here's a little bit of
dirt road?
yeah. Oh. Oh god. My life is full of taking super sports off-road. I have yet to drop the spike, but I think I'm going to change that today. If I go, nope, not that way. We need to go.
Where are we going?
Yeah, we need to go down to this one.
Hey, it's beautiful out here.
Right?
Yeah, take a photo.
Yeah, well, we're going to go on top of the hill up there, too.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, might as well. Dude, the air is actually finally clear.
I know, right?
Are you recording me, recording you, recording me? So there's the car. There's a Cadillac right above it.
I see it, yeah.
The crazy thing is how did it get down here?
Pretty far.
Oh yeah. And there's no road up there anymore. So it must have happened a long time ago. What does the dash say? Oh, 2400.
No, I think this is 1,000.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's 12,000.
Oh, is it 12,000?
12,436.
Oh, okay.
That's still pretty low.
Yeah. Hey, look at the front end damage on it. That was a hard hit.
Wow.
It was hard enough where you could see the engine mounts right there, dude. See the engine mount?
Yeah, the cradle's like,
Yeah. So if maybe it was in it, they got messed up real bad. That one's.
I'm gonna go look at
Yeah. We got the caddy right here. Wow.
What's this?
I don't know.
The seat?
Is it?
Seat? Yep. Whoa, that's upside down.
Yeah. And very, very, dude, it hit a tree so hard to do that. Yeah, engine's still in it.
Is it?
Yeah. Everything's still in it.
Yeah, here. Taking these cars out that fix off this road. Cars upside down over here.
Dude, I wish I could get that license plate.
Wow. It's pretty cool.
All right, we found another one.
Mustang?
No, it's front wheel drive, isn't it? Oh no, it is rear wheel drive.
Yeah.
It's a 5.0.
Yeah. Holy fuck. 5.0. I think it's a Fox body.
Yep.
Cool.
Why did my brain just think, wait, is it right-hand drive? Dude, look at this dent though. I don't know what hit it right here. It looks like it was dropped out of a helicopter. Yeah, the whole floor is all bent in. The seats are still here. Actually, that's nicer than most of the Mustang seats I see. Yeah, dude, it looks like something went through this car. Because that hole is not supposed to be that big. I'll follow you up, just don't rooster me. Oh, Jesus!
Holy shit!
Yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. We can go even a little bit further if you want. There's a...
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Look at this guy over here. He's like, what the fuck, dude?
Yeah. Man, it's all the way from San Jose. You can even see San Francisco over there in the way in the distance. Oakland.
W.
Yeah, it's a cop.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
The cop?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
God, dude, you're not on your game today with cops.
I don't care.
Oh, look at the Vespa.
Dude, we want to pull next to him?
Yeah.
You
I'll go.
First. You go first.
Oh, dude, this guy's hella buff.
Well, oh, wheelie right next to his ass.
What's up, man? You want to race? You want to race?
Go, go.
Oh shit, he's beating me.
Oh, he's gonna race you, dude. You're fucked.
Where are you at? There you are. There you go. Hell yeah.
Legalize wheelies.
Oh shit! Right here?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on, not done accelerating. That's what Honda stands for.
Not done accelerating. Just wheelies, non-stop wheelies. Every day.
I love it.
Everywhere you go. How busy he is, dude.
Yeah.
Now my tire's fucked.
You mean your tire with 5 plugs in it? It looks nice and sticky now. There you go. Oh yeah, I saw that. Well, I hope you liked the video. I really enjoyed shooting it with Jason. I'm definitely gonna have him in many more videos. We got some plans of doing some pretty cool things. Like, comment, subscribe for more content. Peace!